Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to send recurring payments with Apple Cash on iPhone. iOS 17 is going to make it easier for you to send recurring payments via Apple Cash. With the new recurring payments feature, you can set up a payment schedule for a contact who will receive automatic payments based on your custom schedule. That's it, let's get started. First off, open the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap on the contact you want to send recurring payments. When you are on the conversation page, tap on the plus button located next to the typing field. From the menu that pops up, select Cash option. Then tap on where it says $1 to reveal the keypad. From the bottom of the screen, tap on the recurring payment option. Next up, select the date and your desired repeat frequency. You can also add a memo to your payment. Once you are done, simply tap on the next button and then hit the send button to send your first payment. After you have set up a recurring payment, it will be automatically sent to the recipient depending on the repeat schedule you have selected. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can set up and send recurring Apple Cash payments on devices running iOS 17 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.